The Endpoint is our online help and support center made just for you. Here's everything you need to know. When you log on to endpoint.augury.com, you can access everything you need so you can confidently use our hardware and platform and interact with Augury's team members and other users. We're not just providing answers and information. We're helping you move faster, more intelligently, smarter, with more power in your hands. As one maintenance tech put it, it's another resource at my fingertips that will help me be successful. Here are 3 key components that make up the Endpoint. Our knowledge base is where you're directed the moment you begin onboarding. You can access over 200 articles that teach you how to get started, how to use the platform, and how to maintain your hardware. You can also stay up to date on our monthly product releases. You can access the knowledge base in your own language by toggling on your preferred language here, or selecting which language you would like to view articles in here. The Augury Academy is where you'll find over 20 hours of training. As one customer put it, our training will help grow the understanding of a predictive maintenance program and validate what we currently do and the need for growth in the future. Finally, the community is an open forum packed with best practices, Q&A, FAQs, and member spotlights. It's also a way for you to get answers to more general questions that don't involve Augury support. You can also access all of these resources inside of the Augury platform itself through our Help and Support Center. Here you can review documentation, watch videos, and contact Augury support. So jump in. The Endpoint is here to help.